In this video, I am going to teach you how to search Nifty Options in TradingView so you can easily track calls and puts for your trades. Make sure to follow along and don't skip any steps for best results. Let's get started. Go to TradingView.com and sign in your account. Make sure your account is verified for full features. Go to the Product section at the top. This will open a drop-down of TradingView tools. In the drop-down menu, choose Super Charts. This will take you to the main charting platform. Click the search bar at the top left corner. This is where you find all instruments. Make sure you are in the Option Search tab. This filters the results to options only. Search NSE Nifty, then choose Nifty 50 Index. This will display all available Nifty options. Now you can see different calls and puts for various expiry dates. Use this list to select the strike price you want to track. And that's how to search Nifty Options in TradingView. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!